There's something cathartic about honking, don't you think? Now, I'm in a car here in Montreal, and this is the honk. But if I start honking it, I'm going to draw attention, and people are going to be like giving me frowns and weird looks. So I'm going to imitate the honk. Okay? So what does the honk do that's cathartic? It lets you let out your emotions where otherwise you wouldn't be able to. So, who do you think you're such a, yeah. See? You feel so much better when you honk. You don't have to use weird words. And you recharge. And you move on with your day. The power of the honk.